Lanry TF1100 handheld clamp on ultrasonic flowmeter. 1. Built-in rechargeable battery, working for 14 hours when fully charged. 2. Optional data storage function. Historical data viewable via Excel sheets. 3. Non-contact measurement, easy installation. 4. Measurable flow velocity range, 0.01 to 12 meters per second, bidirectional measurement with an accuracy of 1%. 5. Suitable for measuring various single, clean fluids. 6. Applicable to DN20 to DN6000 pipelines. We also have another portable ultrasonic flowmeter. Here are the main differences between them. Choose as per your needs. Lanry Instruments, a professional manufacturer of flowmeters.